absolutely stunning. And when you see the prices and you consider that that range goes from 1 carat up to 4 carats, you go, how is that even possible? And they're customer top rated, by the way. It's because they're lab grown. Now, lab grown just basically means that we kind of sped up the process of Mother Nature. That's it. Everything else is the same. The composition, the makeup, the sparkle. Actually, they will be better than you would ever be able to, well, at least I would be able to ever afford at a size like this. I wish we could do price comparisons because these are I'm pretty sure these are 4 carat because I said, give me the biggest ones. I want to have those. A mined diamond in 4 carats, this clean, this colorless would be out of anyone's price range, most people's price range. This is what we love about Firelight because it's the real deal. And what we did was we gave you all different kinds of choices in terms of the size. Remember, 1 carat, 2 carat, 3 carat, 4 carat, all set in 14 karat gold, but you can choose white or yellow. And then look at all of the different choices of cuts. That's what makes this so fun and such a rare opportunity. So here we have the emerald in white and yellow, and it's different how they change with the different color of the metal. Here we have the oval, very, very big, very on trend right now. Actually makes them look even bigger, I feel like, the oval. And then the round cut. Customer top rated 4.7 stars out of a possible 5, back at the lowest price ever, which I'm pretty sure was a today's special value. J432694, imagine her opening these up on Christmas, Hanukkah, birthday, anniversary, in this beautiful box. J432694 is your item number. Michelle Lau is my good friend. She's here. She is GIA certified, as are every single one of these stones. The big chunkin' one in the middle and all of the beautiful littler stones that are in a recessed halo that kind of creates a shadow. Tell us about that.
Right, the shadow halo really makes the center stone look even more enormous. You know, of all the items that we presented this year, and this is the fastest growing brand here at QVC, it was this item, this particular item that has been number one, bar none. In the world of earrings, there is no better here. I have had so many requests for the different colors and the different sizes coming back into stock. So I'm thrilled, Terry, to have these with you today. Now, you can pretty much take whatever carat weight you're looking at, and half of the carat weight's going to be in the center. So, you know, for example, if you're looking at a 1 carat, you're in the center there, it's going to be about a half carat in solitaires. And then you've
Okay.
got the additional half carat, a quarter carat in each ear, in the halo. So that's just kind of a quick rule of thumb if you're trying to figure out where the carat weight lies. The vast majority of it is in the center solitaires.
Oh,
It's so beautiful, it'll just knock you out. I mean, we have got, I think, such a growing team of Firelight lovers here,
yes.
in part because of these earrings. Once you get them home, you just fall in love with them.
I know, and they're back at the lowest price we've ever had them. So it's just
Amazing.
an amazing opportunity. Explain to us the difference between a lab-grown diamond and a mined diamond, because it's not much
Yes.
difference.
No, I'll give you the quick and dirty.
Okay.
Because honestly, it does have to do with soil and dirt. But they're both diamonds. They have the exact same, and I love that you touched on this in the opening, Terry, the same physical, the same chemical, the same optical properties. And we say that because they are both diamonds. They have the same chemical composition, the same crystalline structure. They're both a 10 on the Mohs rating scale. They're both scratch resistant. The main difference is one is grown in a laboratory, one diamond at a time, and the other one is found in the earth, hundreds of miles beneath the earth's surface, and it lies there for billions of years. So, are they simulated? Absolutely
No.
no. These are quality. We're talking about, in fact, as far as clarity goes, We even take you up 5 full clarity grades from our affinity diamonds from the earth.
Wow.
So every time we go up a clarity grade, you
5.
should kind of hear a cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. Yeah, it gets to be very, very expensive when you go up 5 levels, for sure.
Look at
So
that
top of the line.
flash. I mean, they are the top of the line. Now, I love how Rick Domeyer said this once when he was first presenting Firelight. He said, if you give your mom a dozen roses on Mother's Day, is she going to say, were these grown in a greenhouse or were they grown out in the wild? She's just
Right.
going to say, look at these gorgeous roses. Thank you so much. That's what we say about Firelight lab-grown diamonds. Where they were grown.
I buy them both.
Doesn't, I know,
Honest.
well, here's why. Well, I haven't yet treated myself, but we might have to talk about this and,
We might have
you
to
know,
talk,
give a
right.
couple little like, about what's going on. I'm going to be 50 in January, so something big needs to happen for that.
Oh, you are fabulous.
Thank you.
But you know, different cuts, different shapes,
Yes,
they lend
and
themselves to different things. And this is why I buy both. Like a minute ago, you were seeing a beautiful close up of an emerald cut. A brilliant cut around, like what you're looking at there, I buy it either. It depends on my budget, right? The opals, I also will buy either from the earth or I will buy in Firelight because they look great depending on the quality, all things being equal.
right.
But as far as the emerald cuts go, if you don't go Firelight, you're really doing yourself a
Oh,
disservice
good.
in the emerald shapes.
Because
So if anybody
you,
has any other questions, I'm happy to answer
that
them.
is
You
so
can
true.
always reach me.
Look how perfect the rough has to be to do an emerald cut.
Has to be
That
pristine.
would be twice as much as all the rest if you were doing this in mined diamonds. They are
Agreed.
the same price, so I really appreciate that little tip because
No
that's probably
problem.
what I'm gonna go with then. Over $1,032 is what you're saving in that 4 carat. You're saving $800 in the 3 carat, $500 in the 2 carat, and $263 in the 1 carat. All on 5 easy payments, and all have a return policy through the end of January. All right, a little info on my